Alright, we're out here replacing a already replaced vinyl window, probably 20 or 30 years old, and the window's tired, so that's the main reason we're replacing it. But we opened this opening up and found that there is moisture and rot in the lower corner there. Looks like the possibility of termites, mold as well. And in this case, it was actually not the window installation. That was not the problem. The window is installed nicely. The capping is still good. We can even reuse it. But the problem is actually that the downspout here was not cleaned in a very, very long time and is completely clogged, like absolutely packed with leaves and twigs and all that sort of natural stuff that hits roofs after a while, because we got some trees in the area. Always got to worry about trees and downspouts and gutters. And what's happened here is the water has been exiting the middle of the downspout where two pieces of pipe come together, and also overflowing the scupper that's all the way at the top of the roof there, and then running down the wall. I don't know if you can see in the video that the wall has actually got a green tint to it, and that's, you know, algae or moss that's growing because the water's been overflowing. And that actually extends along the wall here as well, because the water has had the opportunity to overflow the entire back of the roof. And that water has made it into the house at this upper corner where there's also a damaged brick. So sometimes you get water in these windows and the window is not actually the problem. In fact, I'd say a lot of times when you see water coming in the top of an opening, the window itself is not the problem. It's something above it, or the roof, or the drainage, or something of that sort. So once we get this all drained out, it's been draining for a while now. Once we get this all drained out and cleaned up, we'll put that back together, make sure that there's no more leaks from the downspout and the gutter system. And then at some point, this wall can get pressure washed, and all the little plants that are growing in it can be pulled out, and some spot pointing done to close up the mortar joints. And then this one will be good to go again. So it's just a little bit of an example as to why you might want somebody that is looking at more than one part of your house when you have a problem. You look at the windows, you say, oh, the windows are leaking, I need a window guy. Now, you don't always need just a window guy. You need somebody that's going to look at the entire envelope of the building as a whole, instead of just one specialized point. All right, see you next time. If you got any value out of this, please hit that like and subscribe button.